Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So let's go straight into doing this video. Okay, so I bought the MAC Pro brow definer. You all have seen the review of this brow pencil here on my channel. So I bought it in the shade Stud. I don't know whether it's going to focus. I bought it in the shade Stud, like I said. So on the MAC Cosmetics website, it retails for €30. Yes, €30 is very pricey for a brow pencil. And then it says ultra precise details plus defines brow, 24-hour wear, smudge proof, waterproof. And you all know I have oily skin, so anything that promises smudge free, waterproof, I am good for it. So, and then it is 1mm tip, very tiny. So beauties, I'm going to show you my MAC old brow pencil. So this is the MAC old brow pencil, yeah, and I also have it in the shade Stud. So I'm going to open this and show you. So beauties, can you see? This is the old one and this is the new one. And one thing I noticed about the new one is where the spoolie is clear. So immediately you bring it out, you are not going to be like confused. Where is the pencil? Where is the spoolie? You can see it. Unlike the old formula, you cannot see. You have to like gaze before you can, know where the spoolie is. Okay, then I'm also going to show you the pencil because I don't know how many millimeter about this one, but this one said 1mm tip. Can you see? Let me just remove the... So beauties, can you see how tiny this is to compare with the old one? Because I said I'm going to do the comparison here. And then just take a look at the old one. You can see that the pencil is a kind of bold. So I'm going to place both of them side by side. So you can see it clearly that the new pencil is slimmer than the old one. Yeah. So because we are going to talk about application, because anything that promises to give me a clean application, I am there for it. So I'm going to use the spoolie to brush my brows. As you can see, I barely have brow hairs. And then the tip is this, because when I read reviews, a lot of people are complaining that this breaks very easy. So the best thing is when you want to twist, please don't twist all the way like this. Just twist a little that you can use. As you can see, a little that you can use. The same thing happens to my Catrice brow pencil until I get the hang of it. So what I'm going to do now is, sorry, the lightning is changing, beauties, bear with me please. So I'm going to see how, okay, it applies smoothly. It has a waxy consistency to it, but then I am a kind of careful that it doesn't break because this thing is very expensive. So I will keep going. And beauties, I tell you, with the application, you can never do any mistake. I hate those bold brow pencil. Can you see how slim and how sleek it is looking? Not because it's MAC Cosmetics. Anything that promises to give me this type of application, I love it. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to like fake brow hairs, just to make my brow hairs a kind of fuller. They have different shades depending on your the color of your brow. There is also this one that comes before Stud, which is a Spike, but Spike is a little bit lighter than my brow hairs. So I choose a Stud. Can you see? You just keep filling. And honestly, beauties, you have to be light-handed when filling it, okay? So that it doesn't break on you. And then when I come here, I'm going to curve it down. Like so. Can you see the difference? Very nice. But then I'm still careful that it doesn't break on me. So, can you see? Sorry, beauties. Beauties, can you see? I am still using that particular one that I twisted. Can it focus? Yeah. So, I'm going to twist a little bit more. When it comes to brow, you need to take your time. So, can you see? Oh, so beautiful. So after that, I'm going to go back to the spoolie and then comb. And then I'm going to use concealer, to clean it and do the other one and come back to show you beauties. It is so beautiful. So, so beautiful. So if you feel like going back again, you can go back, and then fill. So I'm going to clean it with concealer and then I will come back. So beauties, this is the final look. Actually, I am a darker brow type of a person, but this is giving natural. So beauties, when I was doing the second eyes, let me tell you all, the brow pencil broke on me. Yes. Okay, and I was like, what? So this brow pencil, if you buy it or if you are intending or planning to buy it, you have to be careful when applying. If you are a heavy-handed type of person when it comes to application, this might not be for you, but I love that smooth application it gives. Can you see? My brow is looking natural. Yeah, and for people that doesn't have fuller brows like myself, this is perfect. You use the pencil to give your brows a hair-like strokes. Okay. So beauties, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I did this video because I promised that I'm going to do reviews on it. So they have discontinued the old one. They don't have it anymore. Before they discontinued this, I got mail from MAC Cosmetics, so I stock up on this. I still have 3 or 4 of this. Yeah. So am I going to buy this? I will buy it if they're on sales, but if it is 30 euro, I rather switch to my Catrice brow pencil because this pencil is 2.99. It is waterproof, it is smudge proof, it is 1.5 millimeter, and it does the job for me every day. Like, this is my everyday type of a brow pencil. Okay, MAC Cosmetics, congratulations, they did their thing here. But the thing is this, whenever I'm applying this, I was a kind of scared that it's going to break. So I hate when I am using a product and I am somehow extra careful not to break the product. Other than that, it is nice. The application was smooth. Yeah, as you can see, it did not give me that bulky, fake looking type of a brow, as you can see. So beauties, thank you so much. Subscribe please if you haven't subscribed. Comment, like, share please if you haven't shared my video. And I will catch you all in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe out there. Bye.